Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to set on Vivo Y18. Alright, firstly we need to press the volume up and then the power. Volume up and the power to turn off the phone. Okay, just hold it and then select on the power off and wait for the phone hovering off completely. After that, just press the volume up and the power together at the same time, just holding it and then release all the keys. And now just select on the recovery mode and press the power, and then the phone will reboot to the recovery mode. Alright, right here is called recovery mode, and then select on the format data and clear data and select OK, and the process of the formatting data is working, and wait for the process of the formatting data to be completely. Guys, that's alright. And go back, and after that select on the restart system, and the phone will reboot to the menu. It may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. And everybody, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell for the future video, and thank you for watching.